From now on, you can create your Quadri shared models in Trimble Connect instead of Quadri Model Manager. I will now show an example and create a new project in Trimble Connect. As you can see, I have logged into Trimble Connect and I will now create a new project. I just give the project a name. I select my region, in this case it's Europe, and I select my license type. Then I submit, and the project is created. So, first of all, I need to go into Settings and Project Details. I have the name of the project. Now I need to select my project boundary. I click on this pen to select my boundary and draw it on the map. I double click on the last boundary point. Then I will select the coordinate reference system by clicking on the pencil here and choose published coordinate systems. I can search or I can just select in the list here. When I'm done, I save changes. And the project details are saved. Next step is to go to extensions. And here we have a button you need to activate called Civil Design and Construction Collaboration, Synchronize Project Details with Quadri. I activate that. And then I click on this wheel button here. So now we are going to select our feature catalog for the project. I see all my user-defined feature catalogs if I have any made in Quadri configuration, or I can choose Quadri and the usual ones that we have in the list. I select the latest one and the units. And lastly, I clicked Save and Enable. When we see the green tick here, Quadri is enabled. So now we can go to Quadri for Windows. And then we click on Connect to Project. But now we don't need to click on Project on Server anymore, because the data is, the project is stored in Construction Cloud. So here we see a list of all the projects that we are added to or have created ourselves. So they pop up here automatically. So here we see Quadri shared model, and I can just click on Connect and OK. And the project will be downloaded, the workset will be downloaded now to my computer. So the project is downloaded, and now I can start working as usual. I can just make a quick change here. I just add a process template, consultancy, and the owner. So as we can see, I have some blue plus icons here, so I can share this up to the Construction Cloud. Finish. Give it a description and then click Share. So the share is completed. I go back to Trimble Connect, and now I will look closer into this part called Shared Model. Once I have created and added the extension, I get this shared model. And here I get further information. So first of all, we can click at tasks, and now we see my process template. I can click on one of them and see the subtasks, who created them and what date and time. I can also go to the timeline and see who has done what and when. So here we see that I joined and also shared for the 5 tasks. We can also look at work sets and see that I have downloaded a work set. So in a real project, we will see all the downloaded work sets from different project users, and here we can also delete work sets or disconnect work sets if it's needed. Lastly, we will look at how you will add other project users to the project. So we go to Team. So here I can invite people to the project. Just add one of my colleagues. I add him as a user and click Invite. He has not gotten an invitation. For him to get that project in his construction cloud list in Quadri for Windows, I first need to update. So I go back to settings and extensions and go back to this configuration wheel, and then I have to click update. Once it's updated, he will also have access to downloading this project. So that's about it. I hope you can now get started and will enjoy this new user interface in Trimble Connect.